Forbes has just predicted $60,000 per XRP in a face of massive adoption for the XRP ledger. In fact, just over the last couple of days, a new massive XRP price glitch caused the XRP price to skyrocket to past $62,000. In fact, transactions were done at those levels, as you can see in this screenshot in front of you. On top of this, the Ripple SEC lawsuit is said to be wrapped up at the end of this month, at the end of February, and of course, that is set to bring in billions of dollars of new monetary adoption and new value and money flowing into the XRPL. And with a massive price shape like the charts you see in front of you, where XRP is shaped a bullish triangle, it is suggested that XRP could skyrocket to over $54.24 in just a matter of a few days and $10 within the next 48 hours. A whopping jump from the current XRP price, as you guys can see here, of $2.48 or 41.8 cents. Now, of course, when we do look at the big picture of things, Bitcoin is up about 3.76% in the last 24 hours, XRP up about 1.75% in the last 24 hours. We are looking at the market. It generally is on a sideways, so as you guys can see, everything is consolidating in the market, and well, this means a major breakout is set to occur as we are formulating strong resistance levels at these points that really are going to be the bounce up towards the 10, 20, 30x that we are looking for XRP specifically. Now, when we look into the deeper goods into this, guys, definitely got to take a look at David Short's, which says that XRP is on the brink or on the cusp of massive institutional adoption that you can look at in every angle. This involves the institutional adoption for banks, for tokenization firms. This is only the start, because we're also looking at treasuries. Like in this case, we have reports that the US Treasury is likely to actually use the XRP ledger integrated within their FedNAV payment system. This is again one element, and this is only looking at the United States, because when we look at the bigger picture, we know for a fact that the Digital Euro project is being built in collaboration with Ripple Labs. And again, when you look at countries like Brazil, when you look at countries like the Republic of Palau, the Republic of Montenegro, and a bunch of other different countries, all of these are building their CBDC, which is a central bank digital currency, on top of the XRP ledger, allowing them to facilitate all of the money that this country makes, buys, sends, trades, all of the wealth for that country, and the day-to-day transactions will be facilitated by the XRP ledger itself. Now, I will roll this clip for you because I think it's actually critical to understand, because it tells you these over 100 banks in the USA are going to be using the XRPL, but it's not just that. People are so stuck to the United States of America and the hundreds, if not thousands, of banks that will be using it, but it's actually on a global level of institutions looking to adopt XRP, and it's going to happen in a flip of a switch really quickly and in mass scales. So let's roll the clip.
I feel like we really are on the cusp of a mass institutional adoption, both of DeFi and of other blockchain technologies. I think this is also like one of the key obstacles to mass retail adoption. A lot of people in the space previously thought that retail adoption was like the big wave, but I think institutional adoption is a precursor. You have to connect to where people are. You have to go to where the value is. You can't build a new financial system from zero, ignoring the existing financial system where everybody's money is, where all the value is, where the real world is, trillions of dollars in value. You can't just say, oh, forget about all that. Let's just build something new over here. It doesn't work. And so I think this wave of institutional adoption over the next year or two is going to be what's going to pave the way for mass retail adoption. And then we can deliver on those promises. Like, we all want to bank the unbanked, but like the unbanked, like, they have to be able to spend their money to buy groceries and pay their phone bill. And so we have to have that institutional connectivity. And I don't think there are any obstacles. I think that's and I think this conference shows that.
So as institutions begin facilitating trillions of dollars on the XRPL, we are now seeing institutions actually build on top of the XRP ledger, which is something extremely unique. And in this case, it's unlocking $437.8 billion. Yes, Banxchange, which is one of the most recent applications, decided that they would actually jump on board the XRP ledger. Now, Banxchange is a multi-chain platform allowing you to buy, sell, trade crypto. The unique thing about it is that they allow you to do so with even fiat. So something that the XRP ledger never ever had, which is buy using fiat and sell using fiat, now is completely available. But to top this all off, they've officially launched an Android app unlocking $437.8 billion market in potential. And of course, this is massive because it's really revolutionizing both institutional and retail crypto transactions on the XRPL. Guys, I definitely want to tell you guys to take a look at this massive platform. Not only is it onboarding, billions of dollars, but actually it is a very nice website and platform to use. Now, I can tell you guys this because as you guys can see in basically all my videos now, I use this. They have literally up-to-date live prices and it changes as it goes. It shows you both the EVM chain, so all the cryptos, including XRP ledger tokens, which as you guys can see here, they have XRPL tokens as well, XRP, and you can literally buy them, trade, and do all of that live using both crypto and using fiat transfer. So here's XRP, for example. You guys can see the price literally changes instantly. It updates every couple seconds, and it literally still, look at it, take a look at it. You'll see it throughout the video, it updates. But again, you can literally buy with card, put in the amount of USD, put in the amount of, XRP that you want, whichever one you want to choose. And then it tells you, do you want to buy with card? Do you want to buy with, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or the bank? And you can literally instantly transact. And they're working with a bunch of providers as well. So you have Transact, you can choose a bunch more that are coming very, very soon. But again, this is extremely bullish, and I definitely recommend you guys check it out. I will be leaving the link down below in the description. Banxchange.com /xrp swap, or you can literally just type Banxchange and it will bring you to their main page, which is actually EVM/ERC20 tokens. But yeah, you can also download their mobile app because again, this is a massive part of unlocking both billions of dollars, and at the same time it is massively useful. I downloaded the app, it's a lot more convenient now. But yeah, let's continue further into the video because again, this is a bullish situation that we're in, building on top of the XRP ledger. And what makes things even better, if I can close this thing right here, is that the report has come out. A report confirms that basically XRP is set to enable global debt transactions as chart signal $9,831 possible with that amount of money facilitated. Guys, I've been doing some research on this, and if you look at the total amount of money really that the United States is in debt, you're talking about trillions of dollars. Now, we did get reports that Donald J. Trump, which obviously is president right now, is set to use XRP and of course other digital assets to actually pay down the United States debt. So if at any point in time we see an integration of using XRP to pay debt, you're talking about $1 trillion. I think it's about $30 trillion. Let's just assume 2 trillion, 3 trillion. So, like 30% of that goes into the XRP ledger. You're talking about easily thousands of dollars per XRP at least. So $9,831 at that point in time is a logical, it would be comprehensible of a number to see. And it's crazy because there's literally influencers saying that XRP could reach over $100,000 per XRP. Now, I also want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I know he's doing research, but it's just definitely to keep in mind because, again, this is absolutely insane. But what makes things even better is the fact that you have the top DeFi token on the XRP ledger, the CTF token, actually partnering/onboarding both Amazon and Walmart. Yes, with a circulating supply of only 120 million tokens and a market cap of only 20 billion, the CTF token could actually skyrocket from 83 cents to over $748.50. This could happen sooner than expected and is a major development. CTF token will reveal a groundbreaking announcement on March 1st. Now, if you take a look at this, guys, we're going to look at the CTF token price charts. I mean, this thing is up 14%, so it was actually up 16% just a couple seconds ago. When you take a look at it from the big picture here, I mean, these guys are very, very new. This massive institution, the Crypto Trading Fund, which is a framework, has about 6,600 holders. I mean, their circulating supply is extremely low of 120 million tokens, but it's about the amount of money that this institution is about to facilitate, guys. I've been looking at the actual company, the Crypto Trading Fund, and this is actually crazy. Not only have they onboarded Amazon and Walmart, they're launching their official Crypto Trading Fund app, and they're building a bridging mechanism, something that is extremely unique. Because right now the CTF token is both the number one, or it's one of the top DeFi tokens on both the Polygon chain and on the XRP ledger. But what they recently announced is going to break the highlights, because this is insane. March 1st, a pivotal milestone. We're thrilled to enter a new phase of growth as we continue to redefine the future of rewards on DeFi. Our team has worked diligently to establish groundbreaking partnership and enhance our ecosystem. Months ago, we had the opportunity to meet with members of Ripple's team, whose commitment to enabling fast, cost-effective transactions for everyday use aligns perfectly with our vision. This is why the XRP ledger remains a fundamental part of our infrastructure, ensuring efficiency and scalability as we move forward. Exciting times ahead. Stay tuned. For more information, visit cryptotradingfund.org. Again, I will be leaving all the information down below in the description, ctftoken.com, cryptotradingfund.org, but definitely something to keep in mind. Now, guys, with all that being said, I will end off the video here. So if you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications, and share this video, as well as follow me on all my social media platforms. I mean, there's some crazy news, and I always post about it on the Crypto Geek News Twitter, so drop a follow on there as well. Now, guys, with all that being said, I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.